Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. Old Black Betty and I went on a road trip today. We went and picked us up an ugly duckling. And she is ugly. 95 Dodge, 1-ton dually, 4-wheel drive, Cummins diesel truck. Some of you folks from down south, you're not used to ugly. Look at that rust. Yeah, she's ugly. Yeah. There was a sole purpose for buying this truck. She's been sitting for a while. You can see that. There was a sole purpose for this. Look at that good old rust. Yeah. There once was a rocker there. Oh, I guess that's what's left to it. Yeah. Yeah. She's ugly. But the sole purpose that it was bought for is underneath the hood. Oh yeah, look at that. 95.59 Cummins. Got 187,000 miles on it. Wiring's all good on it. Really, really good donor vehicle. Nothing's been molested. She hadn't been running a long time. She fired up just like it was shut off yesterday. Transmission shifts good. Can't believe it. Nice little jewel. She is going to be donating into the V10 truck. No more spark plugs. We're going to put her into the old V10 truck. No rust on this truck. This is a pretty truck. We're going to take and put a Cummins in her. Found out it cost him just about as much to put a Cummins over into her as what it would be to put a V10 back in it. We're going to make a truck. Put a Cummins down in her. So, we did good, Betty. Well, I'll see you around. I'll keep you posted and let you see updates. Be safe out there. Thank you very much. Bye.